guys, today magluluto tayo ng fake things. Mag-araruan. Halika, nagluluto tayo. Lagay mo dito. Okay.
Pretend lang naman.
Hi. Asa na yung luto pa yung cake. Iluluto ko yung bananas. Okay.
Niluluto ba? Tas sa linggo, papakita mo kay Mama Dida. Kay Mama Dadang. Yung video city.
Opo. Ito yung spoon. Ito yung spatula. Go na. Tapos na to. Okay, tapos na tayo. Kaso lang nagluluto yung cake. Nagluluto yung cake. Tapos na. Tapos na yung cake.
Nagbibidyo ka. Kaya huwag kang
Cake! Okay. We have a secret ingredients. Okay, so this is
I'll just put them later. I'm just going to decorate.
okay. So we need a straight one.
The kid is not my son.
Do we have some? Buksan ko ga. Buksan ko ga ito.
Wag!
Ano to? Ano to? Ice?
No. It's just like this one.
Oh.
Fluffy.
Okay, ito iluluto ko.
The kid is not my son. Ooh.
Okay. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Why are you laughing?
No.
Iba ito. Iba ito kay
Oopsie.
Andito sa secret formula natin. Ito. Ito siya yung
Secret formula.
secret formula. Ito secret formula. This is a secret formula. You can close it too.
Here.
See. What should we put in here?
We should probably put the
I'm gonna put this in the fridge.
Dear. The kid is
I got a chew.
son.
The cake.
The kid is not my son. Woo! I'm still trying to create the house.
cake, okay, cake.
So, ito. Mag-
Bye.